YouTube. Welcome back, guys, and happy Friday. Today I'm gonna unbox this. This is SUNKOng Apple Watch band, 38mm Sporst silicone inner leather front hybrid bands, black sweatproof replacement for Apple Watch Series 3, 2, and 1. So let's go ahead and give you guys a description real quick. They have a black color and also olive brown. They have a available size is 38mm or 42mm. Okay, it is a hybrid design, 3mm thick strap with the anti-sweat silicone inner surface and vintage leather front, solid combo, great innovation from standard bands, and best of both worlds. Ideal for any indoor and outdoor occasions. Material: the silicone underbelly is comfy and flexible. Also allow it to be worn to the gym and get sweaty. Top leather material finish. No funny chemical or strange smells. Healthier and softer. The fit size is fit for wrist size from 15 centimeter to 21.5 centimeter, and equivalent to 5.9 inch to 8.5 inch. There are 10 holes for length adjustment. Perfect replacement Apple Watch band, 38mm for Apple Watch and Sport and Edition Series 1 and Series 2 and Series 3. Black watch adapter and buckle much more match with the Apple Watch Space Black and Space Gray. Easy to use, just need a slide that you can replace your watch band and perfect match. The new Apple Watch adapter does not require screws to connect the pin. Secure and will not falling off. Only 0.75 ounce, so lightweight that you will forget. The 1-year warranty. Your satisfaction is always the goal. If your band has any quality issue, just let them know, and then they will send you a replacement or get a refund. So I will include a link of a description so you can check them out on the Amazon. So this is $23.99, and you get a free 1-day shipping with the Prime member. So let's go ahead and get it started. Okay. There you go, guys, right here. Wow. SUNKOng, okay. Got this nice sleeve. Wow, look at that. Nice metallic silver finish. SUNKOng, the high-end smartwatch band. Ooh, look at that. Craftsmanship, creating extraordinary quality. Give you guys a 360 view of the box real quick. Wow, look at that. So you scan the QR code, and then that is the website. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this box. I chose the black one. Ooh, look at that detail on this thing. Okay. So this one has a uni body design, stronger hinge, and then a secure installation. Okay. The vintage leather in the front, and then silicone inner surface on the back here. Wow, feel nice. And it is anodized black buckle right here, and then stainless steel adapters. So this side is silicone, which is a rubberized material. And this side is leather. And you got this two of the loop for the belt to go in. So I got this nice stitching, light brown color. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what else is inside there. So that's it. Nice box and presentation. Okay. So I got an Apple Watch over here. This is the 38 millimeter. Well, if you guys own this watch, you guys should know how to take it out. There's a button right here for you to press down, and then after that you slide it out. Okay, and then you just put the new strap in there and just slide. So you gotta slide out. Unfortunately, when you try to slide out, you keep on pressing those two buttons on the Apple Watch. Okay. And try not to force it in, just let it go in slowly. And there you go. And then you can put it in. Oops. Make sure you put the loop, pull it out first. And then just strap in there. All right. So there you go, guys. Well, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like this video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and then turn on your bell for notification. And drop any of the comments on below, alright? And like always, peace out. And check on the description for this product on Amazon.